This 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 384 QBOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, awning, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, loft, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 384 QBOK is 13,132 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.